One of the equipment that did a lot of damage on the, on the ally side, which is the US and Israel and the Gulf GCC countries. One, if you were to look at one equipment that did a lot of damage at a very low cost, it has been the drone. And that is why, the drone technology is now actually, you can call it as reverse asymmetric situation that has happened in war. Because if you look at it previously, when a tank was replaced a horse, the cost of the tank was more than the horse. When a jet plane replaced a propeller plane, the cost of the jet plane was more than the propeller plane. When a bomb was replaced by a missile, the missile was considerably more expensive than a bomb. But this is the first time now that you are having a drone that is cheaper than the system that is being used to stop it.
Right.
So considering that, it has an economic impact on a country, because if a country is not prepared enough to handle and address the drone threat at a low cost, it can economically drain the country. Because if somebody is going to be using a $4 million missile to take down a $30,000 drone, the asymmetry is nearly to the extent of possibly about 10 to 15 times. So considering, or even more than that. So considering that, it has become very, 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 very important